What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about AI crypto coins. We're talking about artificial intelligence. AI coins have been on fire to start 2023. I'm going to give you my top 5 that I'm looking at, trying to find an entry point, but the AI cryptos just continue to go higher and higher. I'm going to be patient a little bit, look for my entry points. I still think there are some good entry points out there right now, and some of the ones I'm going to mention in this video. So appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. We're going to dive into the top 5, in my opinion, out there right now. Keep in mind, these are pretty large caps. There are a ton of AI cryptos out there, and there's going to be a ton of small caps that probably kill it in the long run. But I'm looking to mitigate some risks, especially getting into a new sector here. And that's why I'm looking at some of the top cryptos right now in that category. And so let's dive in here. So number 1 is AGIX. AGIX, one of the most popular AI coins on the market. It's actually the top gainer right now. It's the native token of Singularity Net platform. This platform provides a decentralized and open source blockchain platform for users to buy or sell multiple AI products. And again, that is a top mover right now in all of crypto, AGIX. Number 2, FetchAI. Shout out to some people in my Discord, Angela. She was on this one early. This is also an open source decentralized platform aiming to create an infrastructure to build a digital economy. This platform is using AI to enable users to create autonomous economic agents. These agents interact with each other to perform actions like decision-making, data analysis, and predictions. FetchAI, one of the top cryptos in this sector as well. Another one, kind of an OG, it's been around for a long time actually, and that's the Graph, GRT. The Graph is another decentralized open source protocol based on distributed ledger tech to collect data without involving third parties. This protocol is global APU for indexing and organizing data that is easily accessible and processed using GraphQL language. Again, the Graph has been around for a very long time. If you're looking to really mitigate your risk, I would say the Graph. It's already been a top 100 crypto for a while. Number 4 is Ocean. Private data, very valuable to improve research and other business applications. Data, though, is difficult to access because of privacy and control issues. So the Ocean protocol's compute to data mechanism solves this issue by allowing access to private data rather than directly sharing it. The privacy sector as a whole is going to be very interesting to kind of see what happens here with it all, because a lot of people think there's some risk in some of the top heavy ones like Monero, but Ocean AI protocol might be a little bit better system given that it's using that technology and it's a little bit, better suited for the future of the digital economy. And the last but not least crypto that I want to mention here is RLC. RLC is the native token of this new platform called AGIX, and it offers a variety of decentralized cloud computing services. This platform provides on-demand access to data sets, applications, and computing power. So the AGIX platform, ticker symbol RLC. So those 5 are ones that I am looking at: RLC, Ocean, Graph, GRT, FetchAI, and AGIX, or Singularity Net platform. Those are my top 5 crypto coins in the AI crypto sector right now. Let me know what you guys think about these down below. Appreciate you guys as always. Let's see you. Bye.